This is very hot, man. Look at it, guys. Man, it's a forest. It's a big forest. Hey. Sawa, ndihuta. Hello guys, what's up? If it's your very first time to be here, please consider subscribe, comment, share guys. I would appreciate, man. Whoa. Man, yeah, man. This is serious thing. So I'm just going to search waterfall, but we almost, man. This is the way, yeah. So we are going to another place, so I don't know. So guys, I don't know what we're gonna do. We are just to continue this journey. But we were lost. We were lost with my friend right here. We are lost in a village. You see, we need to pass in some way where you can't see anyway. So we are already getting lost, but let us try our best. Hey, man, it's very far where we are going, and we use this. We are going to see a waterfall which no one showing you on a TV, on a video. That is rice. That is rice. Yeah. So guys, we are just going there. We are heading right there. But it's evening, man. I hope you see the sun is set right there. So I don't know if we're gonna make a good video, and I don't have enough time over here, man. So, man, but let me go and just try my best so that I can show you that waterfall. Hey. Guys, we are trying to pass this place, but it's really hard where we are passing. Whoa. Man, there is no way. This is the place where I was passing when I go at school, you know. It's a place where you can't see anything, man. Look there. Yeah, man. It's a forest. It's a big forest. It's a big forest. See, look. Man. Wow. Guys, hey. Some children now here search firewood. See, guys. Namahare. Come here. Hey. Sawa, ndihuta. Eh? Oh yeah, ndihuta. This is about to start that waterfall right there. I hope you see this forest right here. Yeah. It's a big forest, guys. It's a big, really big forest. Let us continue. Oh, yeah. This young girl is searching firewood. That's a life in a village, man. You see? Ooh, guys. Guys, we are lost, man. We are lost. Don't know how we're gonna try to make that video in a hot waterfall, but let us just continue this series for it. So we are just to continue this jump. Go and search it slowly. Maybe we see it. Guys, really hard. Oh my God, here. We're gonna be tired soon. We're gonna be tired. Passing in the life of someone, man. Guys, we get some more water right here. How are we gonna pass this? Guys, I don't know. How are we gonna try to pass here, you know? It's really hard. We decided to pass here like it's not far, but we get to confuse ourselves. Man. A big guy here. His bike is strong, man. Whoa. We only go the places here we don't know, guys. Man, this is an incredible. Man. Guys, we lost it now. Man, we lost it. We're heading. Oh, my people. He was heading somewhere like here. The place where there is more water, man. And there is only forest, man. This is crazy. Crazy. Pita hiyo njia hiyo hapo. Guys, my brother here is serious supporting me, you know. He's supporting me, guys. What do you see now, guys? Yeah. Oh, more rice right there. Everywhere is rice. Everywhere. See, guys? Oh, the sun is setting right there. Guys, that's why you see my face like now change, because I put my phone on this side. Man, it's crazy. I think we will get to that place soon, guys. But I don't know what we're gonna do. Hmm? Hey, guys, can you know how he has to go back? Guys, we lost seriously. We lost, but we are serious to search. Hey. Trying to show him a direction. This is our serious village now, man. Some few days I will have to be like in a city like this. Oh. Huh? What? What? No, cool. Up. No, happen, man. Man, I'm gonna make my brother be bored right here, man, you know. We lost every time. We lost. Already lost. We lost. Yeah. Farm right there, guys. I think you see the greenest place like that. Yeah. Hey. Huh? Guys, I'm lost. Yeah. Kisoko ja. Unaje kona zimi. Chahari ya. Hanya masara. Saha. Ijona ni ja barabara rinini imodoka zicamo. Eh? Guys, it's like now we see the way, so let us try to go there. Guys, I'm hearing that place, so let me try to be heading that place, man. Wow. Guys, water coming from that side up to there. Oh, let me try to be here. I left my feet. Water. The water is very hot, man. You can't believe. Water is very hot. Very hot, guys. Now here, man. That is a waterfall which was seen right here, and I hope you see. This is super waterfall. Hey, that is waterfall, guys. So, guys, this is my brother here. I was just struggling to show you the things. I hope you see my brother. It's my drive, my taxi drive. It's not taxi, man, because we are using motorbike. So, guys, we almost finished to see the waterfall, and we hope you enjoy, guys. And you see, this water is very clean and sweet, man. But it's very hot, man, more than how you think, guys. So, guys, please do some kind of favor for us, like just if it's your first time to be there, consider subscribe, comment, guys, share also, guys. I'm gonna appreciate for that. Yeah. So, guys, thank you. Until next video, with my brother, we are going to head at home, and it's far, man. It's far because we used a long journey, and we're gonna pass this way there. So thank you, guys. Bye bye.